We'll start this project with medium-sized brush and red paint. We'll create an outline for a pumpkin on the right side of the artwork. We can add lines from the top of the pumpkin to the bottom part of the artwork. Now we'll add couple red brush strokes in the lower part of the pumpkin to add a shadow. Next, we'll be creating shadow in the upper part of the pumpkin. You can cover pumpkin in orange paint. We'll overlap red part with orange paint to blend two colors. We're gonna blend some red and orange with a little bit of black paint to create a darker shade of orange. We'll use this color to make our lines a little bit darker in the lower and upper part of the pumpkin. After wiping your brush, you can dip it in black paint and create an outline for a head. After creating an outline for the lower part of the head, you can paint it in. Next, we'll skip some space and we'll create a straight line above the head. Now we can paint an outline for the upper part of the head. After creating an outline, you can paint the space in. We'll switch to a small brush and we'll keep using black paint. We'll paint two triangles for eyes. First we'll create an outline, then we'll paint it in. Next, we'll paint a smaller triangle for a nose. To paint a smile, we're gonna create two zigzag lines connected on both sides. Now you can paint it in. After washing and wiping your brush, you can dip it in blue paint to outline left side of the head and pumpkin. You can switch to a large brush to paint the rest of the left side of the artwork. We'll switch to purple paint to cover background on the right side of the artwork. You can add second layer of blue and purple if the paint is too transparent. We'll create a transition between blue and purple by adding more purple on top of the blue. We'll use medium-sized brush and red paint to paint in space between upper and lower part of the head. We'll switch to a small brush and yellow paint to add a line under eyes and nose. Next, we'll add a line on the right side of eyes and nose. We'll outline the bottom part of the mouth. Next, you can paint a yellow square on top of the red ribbon on the head. You can switch to a medium-sized brush and use blue paint to add couple brush strokes on the left side of the head. You can add couple purple brush strokes on the right side of the head. We'll switch to a small brush and white paint to add highlights to the edges of the head. We'll add a white highlight on the left side of the pumpkin. You can keep adding highlights to the tip of the hat, sides of the hat, and the ribbon. We'll add couple small white brush strokes on the yellow square. You can add couple small white brush strokes on top of yellow outline. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.